Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear case on Telegram. So let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, tap on the data and storage option. Tap on the storage usage option. Here you will see the clear entire case option. Tap on it. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you really want to clear the case. Tap the clear entire case button again to confirm. And this is how you can clear case on Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.